Sometimes fixtures, sometimes you play two games away, so sometimes good luck. But in attacking part, there was a lot of good things. Obviously, we need to improve defensive part because long time we did not have the clean sheet. So result is one thing, attacking part one thing, and the thing how we defend. So this is what we need to work.
Ya, perhatian. Sebelum melakukan pemanasan, berdoa. Dimulai. Selesai. Pasang. Ayo.
Itu siapa sih?
Marilah kita sambut dengan
Opponent half.
they complain.
Kita mengerti komplain kalian.
We will try to improve.
Kita akan coba meningkat, guys. Kita akan coba meningkat.
We will try to score. So we will try to score.
Kita akan coba untuk cetak.
And we want this complaint from them
Dan kita mau tekanan dari kalian. Kita mau komplain kalian.
because this is PSM is a big team.
Karena ini adalah PSM. PSM adalah tim besar.
So next game we will try to win,
Pertandingan selanjutnya kita akan coba menangkan.
but we need them. Yes.
Tapi kita butuh kalian. Sama-sama kita. PSM.
You believe on PSM?
Saya cuma tanya kalian. Kalian percaya PSM tidak?
So calm down. I invite
Tenang.
everybody here. Come next game here at home. We're gonna win for you. In PSM, we have nothing. We just not score the goals. Just this. We try. We play with everything. We give 100%. We put our heart on the game. We not score. It's the moment. But we need to change. It's just the moment. Okay, we not win last 4 games. It's okay. You can complain with us. We accept. No problem. We accept. But we give 100%. You want the best. Come against Padang. Come against Padang. You will see the best. Okay?